Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. Today's focus article for us is article number 41. So what is the main focus of article 41? Let's try to understand what article 41 says. Article 41 talks about right to work. So first focus area is right to work. Second is right to education. And third is right to public assistance in certain cases. So basically, Article 41 talks about three important things: right to work, right to education, and third one is right to public assistance, but in not all cases, but in certain cases only. So it talks about few cases only. What are the wordings of article and what are the schemes that are being made for Article 41? Let's try to understand. So here article start with the state. So basically state, the word which we have studied in article 12 of the Indian Constitution. We are carrying this definition of article 12 of state for article 36 also. So here article 41 says the state shall within limits of its economic capacity, means while making government scheme, state should also look after its economic capacity also. It basically wants to say that it shall not be liability upon state that they should provide right to work, right to education, and right to assistance to everyone. It is saying that it shall be based on the economic capacity of the state. It is not compulsion on the state. It is instruction, it is direction given to the state that state should make an effort within its economic capacity and development. In both the cases, to make effective provision for what? That state should make effective provision. State should take an effort. State should make certain laws, certain policies, certain programs, schemes for what? For providing right to work. Second, for providing right to education. And third, providing public assistance in certain cases of unemployment, old age, sickness, and disablement. Now, a simple concept is there. For having right to work, we made a very important scheme, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. As I told you, directive principles of state policy are not justiciable, but they are fundamental in the governance of this nation. That's why whatever policies, programs, schemes, projects, or laws that we bring for establishing socio-economic democracy and to have welfare in the society are based upon the directive principles of state policy, are based on the DPSP. So here basically the example for right to work is MG Narega, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Then right to education that we made has the basis of article 41 as well as basis of article 21 capital A. Article 21 capital A says that right to education will be a fundamental right. This article 21 capital A is added into Indian Constitution by 86th Amendment Act of 2002, which made right to education a fundamental right. And third thing, it talks about providing public assistance in certain cases. Now, what are the various schemes that we have available for this public assistance? Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Destitutes Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi or various Indira Awas Yojana. So various schemes through which we provide public assistance to people in certain cases is basis of this particular article. Always try to remember that whatever government scheme, policies and programs that we are running have the basis of directive principles of state policy, for which one line is very, very important. DPSPs are fundamental in the governance of this country. Thank you.